Sky, I, real flavor presenting for the independent, ambitious ladies, ACU Tash. You know handicap girl, are you no buffer? No boof buff girl, you not take no back on. You go girl, start the show girl, independent, same so you go girl. Tony up, the Tony up, the Tony up. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on a man and not each up. Lifestyle and step it up, champion and step it up them. Tony up, the Tony up, the Tony up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on a man and not each up. Me can highlight some too, no? Look how Keisha Las Vegas at. Now fi catch pan a money I tap. She ambitious like that. Can't promise her much less bags. Worst can't bring to her no crap. Book one and don't come back. She a live like a notch house tie couldn't got, so you can't take them for idiot. The girl them Tony up, then Tony up, then Tony up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not eat up. Lifestyle and step it up, champion and step it up them. Tony up, then Tony up, then Tony up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not eat. Me can't tell no something. Yo, them a girl a never in a regular. 2 grand US with them cellular. Just up, just figure a seminar. Every day them gyal look like a real foreigner. In a Benz roll like a modeler. Them start from just a janitor. Right now business a monitor. Few bar, few store, few at ear just are them. Tony up, then Tony up, then Tony up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not each up. Lifestyle and sip it up, champion and sip it up them. Tony up, then Tony up, then Tony up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk. Real flavor Sky. Aye, you don't know, big up Keisha, Las Vegas, Lady Tash and the whole works.
The money up, we money up, we money up. Big up yourself, real flavor, may I tell you. Hey, you come out so excited. Yo, like you're ready for this, my boss. What you say, you bring the talent to the table. All right, so Nero, what do you think about real flavor performance and his music is doing right now?
All right, so for me, once you go the ladies
Turn down the
avenue. Once you go the ladies avenue, once you have them for your side, that's a wrap. You understand? But for me though, otherwise from the lyrics and doing it for the females still, you need to use up a stage more often. You understand? Which me know say you don't really have much for you still. So I'm gonna just oversee that part, but the tune on point. On point. I never expect that to go freestyle, but on point.
All right, real flavor. So you in front of the man himself, Nero, you know. The man say if he use up the stage more, but yeah, go on good so far. You get to me and say, hey, Keisha.
It's like you rolled out for every woman where I try hard in her life, you know. And the fact that you can say, boy, we start from janitor. Yes, we're not afraid for us to do dirty and make sure the thing come out the way we want it to come out. We not care the talking. We're not business with that. We just make our mind say, make where I make it. So chatting, we not deal with the chatting, right? And say the money up, we know when the money are coming. We know when the money are coming, but good like that, right? I love it. I liked it a lot.
All right, big up DJ Smoke, may I tell you. No, I have to ask another female. Dash, what do you think about this song? Yeah, real flavor sing for the, you know, Tony up.
I'm load up the one here. You see, from you, I represent for the real diva, the real hustler. You understand me? When I just think about, say, man for mine, you. You understand me? Girl, we're out there looking for themselves. Tony up.
Tony up. How you been? Tony up. You don't know real flavor. Hey, big up yourself. Remember, don't leave. Hey, because them are going to some ticket and, you know what I mean? Yeah, the people them can afford food and keep it in the competition.